Hey guys, LechK here. Today a quick video to show you how to replace the air filter in your home heating system. This is something you should be doing at least once a year. If you have pets, probably like 4 times a year. I would say every 6 months at the minimum. Your typical heating system setup here. This is the return register, the return vent basically that brings the air from your house back into the system here. So sucks it in here. Your filter is going to sit in here. As you see this box here, this is for the bigger type filter. If you have the thin 1-inch filters, obviously the space opening door wouldn't even be there. It would probably be just like a slit like in my old one. And then you got the blower usually in there. And then it blows through the, heat up to the top. Also AC set up there and all that. Anyway, to check what kind of filter you have, pop this door open. If you have a door, if you don't, your filter will be exposed just like it is like that. And that's our filter in here. I have the 1625 by 4. And we're going to talk about that more because that's not actually inches. That's just the common name of the filter. All these filter names, you thinking it's inches. It's about, but it's not exact. So that's really important, which we'll talk in a minute. So you choose the right one. But you just pull it right out and you see this thing is filthy. Time to go. Pop the new one in. Make sure you don't have any debris and stuff laying in there. This is the blower I was talking about. So when you suck the air from the house, it cleans it, right? And then goes out to the blower back to the heat. So we have a 1625 by 4. I'm going to show you with the tape measure why it's not actually exactly that. And with the spacing you have here, you got to have the exact size for this setup, otherwise it won't fit. Same if it's a 1-inch slot, same exact idea. You don't want it too small either because then it will fall through. So let me show you what I mean. So as the numbers say, this should be 16 inches wide, but it's actually 15 and a half. It should be 4 inches deep. It's actually 4 3/8 deep. And then we are 24 and a half long. So obviously it's not exactly that size. So if your opening over there is that size exactly, this filter will already be too small. Previously, I had a filter that was 1625 by 4, and the filter was actually too big. So you have to basically measure it, or if you're purchasing your filter on Amazon, check the specs, check the actual specs measurements, right? Different brands will give you different size, and this is a 3M. I'll put a link to the one I've been using below. This is the rated MER 11. MERV rated 11, which gives you pretty good dust protection and all that. And usually it has a flow indicated on the filter where, there you go. So air flows this way, so that means we're facing that towards the blower. All you're doing is sliding the filter in. And there you go, you are all done. As long as you're not falling through, you should be good. And actually, I just realized I'm not all the way in. This is the same filter, same brand. And look at this, guys. It's off by about 1/2 inch, which I honestly don't get anymore. Nothing is consistent anymore. Yep, same model, same brand, and filter does not even match up. Well, it's close enough, so it's not falling through, so we should be good. But that's what I'm talking about. Make sure you measure them correctly so you have a nice snug fit. Otherwise, you're not going to get the pure filtration that I'm talking about. Pop the cover back on if you have a cover. And that's it. You're all set. Hope this is helpful. Check out my channel for more related how-to videos. And have a great day.